Well, hey guys, this is Augusto Fernández, MotoGP rider, and we are at Sallent at the karting to do some training today. Well, it's very difficult to get the same feelings than a MotoGP bike because the feeling on a MotoGP is amazing, the speed, everything. So to get this feeling with a street bike is quite difficult. But the thing is, we go to smaller tracks. So the R6 on a karting is a very good training, I think, to get the feelings of speed and get the maximum of the bike on a small track. Well, the goal is to get closer to the rest of the KTM guys. I've been traveling with the bike, as I said, the beginning of the season, and we still have a lot of races, and hopefully we can finish the season as the best bike. At least we don't know the position because we're struggling a little bit compared to the rest of the bikes, but hopefully we can be the best KTM guys.